Hey guys, thank you for watching my channel. This is Perry Trade. So in this video, I did not take any trade on Thursday, the March 14th trade session. I was just too busy doing other work. So I did not take any trade. I didn't go in the market actually. So opportunity's not lost because I can always either in the evening or on the weekends practice my trading strategies. So for this video, I'm going to go ahead and do a market replay on the March 14th trading session. You know I'm in the market replay because I have this little box right here. This is market replay. I use market replay to practice my strategies because it simulates the real life market. So I don't do back testing because back testing is not the same. It's not as reliable as market replay. So basically what market replay does is it incorporates, like real live market condition, including slippage, execution delays, which back testing does not replicate. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and fast actually go to the point where I would be starting to trade. So let's say 9:30 when the market's open. So I'm going to start here. So from time to time, you'll see me fast forwarding the video. Of course, this is market replay. I can't play it in the regular speed because I'll be, recording this video for 8 hours. So I'm just going to fast forward the video up to the point where my condition would all have been met and where I would have taken the trade. So let's go to 9:30. Okay, so I'm up, and so I have my ATM strategy here on the right side. And so I'm gonna fast forward the video here. I'm 9:30, so this is normally where I would start, just looking at my charts. So let's just play it, and let me fast forward it. So I have these conditions, and so I monitor all my conditions to see where my condition would be met. So I have this momentum squeeze here, and I have this Perry pulse and this trend here. And so as long as this line is underneath this line and this line crosses up, again, the video is being fast forwarded until when my strategy starts to set up. Then I will pause it. So here we see a purple shade and the blue shade here. That's one condition. This line has to be sloping below this line, and this line has to be sloping above this line, and it has to be out of a squeeze. So this is where I would get into a trade. All my setups, I have purple, red. I'm out of space. This is sloping down, and this just crossed this line right here, and this is flattened. So I would enter a sell low.
Order submitted. Order failed. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order failed. Order submitted.
First contract is 100 tick.
Order failed.
And second contract, stop loss moves to break even +1 and trails it per the ATR. As you can see, I'm on the NQ if I didn't mention that. And this is at 9:59 a.m.
Order filled.
Okay, so I got stopped out on my second contract. So the total for that trade was $861. So you can see here that as the momentum was moving down, the second contract was trailing the current price.